Welcome back everyone. If you could please like and subscribe, I would really appreciate it. And this video today is going to be the first of at least a 5-part series where I break down common studio hardware. Now you've probably seen a behind the scenes photo before and wondered, what is that thing and why do I need it and what does it do? Well, this series is meant to sort of shed a little bit of light on that. Now you might have been to the camera store before and saw this particular item and said, what is that? So this is a 2.5-inch grip head, and this is the gear that we're going to devote this video to today. So what this does is it goes on top of a light stand or other things, but mostly light stands. So you just stick the light stand in over in this side and then twist this to tighten it down. Then on this side there are a series of holes that you can stick things into. Don't go there. But you can, I guess it's about to get worse. You can stick things in the holes like this stud. And once you do that and tighten it down, it will allow you to attach other objects. Now, sort of like a cooking show, I'm going to skip ahead a little bit. So here is a ball head that already has a stud attached to it. And if we stick that in our ball head, this will allow us to turn a light stand into a tripod. We'll be able to get our camera wherever we need it to be. Or maybe there's an accessory you'd like to use like a monitor, and this would be great for that. So here is a clip, and the clip already has the stud attached. So if you stick this clip in here, like so, you'll be able to hold on to anything like this piece of black foam core. And this will allow you to hold the foam core out into space really at any angle that you choose. You just turn the knob to loosen it and then change the angle, if you will, and then tighten that into place. So you could use this to hold a white piece of foam core between the camera, between the light and the camera if I'm the model and you're the photographer. Or you could use this to hold a black piece of foam core and turn it into a flag so that you can darken down the lower half of your subject's body, if you will, or maybe just cast a shadow against part of their face. Really sort of the options are endless, but with this flag or with this clip and a grip head, you'll be able to get the flag in any position that you need it in. So really there are all sorts of options. Now, the other thing that you can do with a grip head, and these come in silver and in black, is you can stick a grip arm in there. And this is a 20-inch or 50-centimeter grip arm. And I chose one that's in black. They also come in silver, but I chose the black one so that you can sort of see the contrast. They also come in 40 inches or 1 meter lengths as well. Those are probably more common, but these are easier, these shorter ones are easier to show in a video. And so what you're able to do with a grip arm is just sort of relocate all the functions of the grip head 20 inches or 50 centimeters or 40 inches or 1 meter away from the light stand. And it has all the slots in it over on this end to hold all sorts of things like flags. And that's probably what people use these for most of the time. I think this is some essential gear that I have in my case all of the time. Hopefully you'll want to add it to yours. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any suggestions for future videos and gear that you're curious about, leave that in the comments. And as always, stay safe, take care, and I'll talk to you soon.